How to turn on HDR viewing in Photos. Here's how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Photos. Next, scroll until you find View Full HDR. Now, turn on the toggle next to View Full HDR. Once enabled, HDR photos will be displayed with their full dynamic range on supported iPhone models, making highlights brighter, colors more vibrant, and images appear more lifelike. If you don't see the View Full HDR option, your iPhone model or iOS version may not support this feature. To see the difference, open the Photos app and view an HDR photo. With View Full HDR enabled, supported photos will automatically display in HDR. And that's it. You've successfully turned on HDR viewing in the Photos app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.